Ano, nag-enjoy ka? Nag-enjoy ka tulog. Nagtulog ka manimo yan. Thank you Benji and Lani sa inyong gift. Ayan. Good morning mga ka-Juya ka ba? Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Super wide. We're heading to the city. Araw na ito sunod-sunod ng snow. Chilly. Mag-scrape ka pa? Yeah, of course. Good morning mga ka-Juya. Kamusta kayo dyan? Ayan. Punta kami ng appointment kami sa Canadian Tire. Magpapalit siya ng gulong niya. Ay, nako. Isang taon pa lang dito. Kailangan mo nang palitan yung gulong. Diba? Kasi ano na daw, manipis eh. Araw na to, sunod yung snow. Ayan. Ang ating asawa, nag-scrape pa.
When my heart can't find a beat, when it's dark and I can't see, I will my hope in you.
Snowflakes falling on my head, winter magic as we tread, prints making trails anew in this wonder.
Dito na kami. Ngayon kami sa Canadian Tire. Balik ang gulong. Ano pala ito? Marker pala ito. Ayan, pala mga bad paper niya. Sticker. Kung nga bayad, no problema. Tapos na kami sa Canadian Tire. Ay. Juya. It's snowing. Ay. Ano? Ay, damage yung ilaw-ilaw ko. Ayan, let's eat mga ka-Juya. Kain muna kami sa ilaw. Hungry? Tanggalin mo na yung watok. Dahil na kami kumain sa sa Edo. Ano kami, plano namin manood kami ng sine. Kaso hindi kami marunong mag-online. Kasi hindi activated yung card. Kaya try namin punta doon. Open the door! Oh my God! So slow. Ginaw pa naman eh. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Ayun ba? Parang di pa close na. Ayan, puntahan na lang namin yung Landmark movie theater para doon na lang bili ng ng bayad for movie. Ayan, doon sa kabila. Lapit lang. Ayan. Ayan. Parang tutok na yung Fully?
Okay.
Ikot ka.
Kailangan magawa.
Ito oh. Private property, no parking. Meron. Ginaw talaga ngayon. Windy pa. Medyo windy pa. Ayan, manood kami ng sine. First time. First time. Gagamitin namin yung gift card na binigay ni Benji during my birthday. Diba? Matagal ko ng pangarap na manood ng movie. Ikaw, dapat kuha ka na kasi diferensya ka naman eh. Doon sa handicap sa kanila. Matagal ko ng pangarap manood ng movie. Ngayon lang kasi may gift card kami. Dito ga. Pwede ba yan dyan? Sa likod to. Dito sa likod ng puti. Oh, yan. Okay. We're here. Oh, station. Ito yung concession, no? Here? Or here? Oh, it's not available. This one is unavailable. Available. Okay. Yeah. D, 1 and 2.
Perfect. Alright. That's everything for this now. Yep.
You want to buy some? Oh, mamaya na pala. Okay. Mamaya na pala. Pwede naman, diba? Balik tayo mamaya. Ayan, nakapay na kami ng aming ticket. Super. Ayan, nakabili na kami ng aming ticket. Tapos may matching arguments. First time pa naman namin manood ng sine. Ayan, 2:30 pa to eh. Babalik kami mamaya. Ikot-ikot muna kami sa Walmart. Ayan, grabe snowy talaga ngayon. Snowing! It's snowing! 3 days na to in a row. 3 consecutive years. Good. 3 consecutive years. 3 consecutive days na. Sunod-sunod. Snowing. Malapit Park Goodwill. Ayan. Jason lang sila dito. Wait pa namin yung aming oras to 30. Yung check-in. Gastos pa lang. Ayan, dito kami sa bar. Cinema. Ayan, gusto ko yung aming panoorin. White wrist. Pag 16 lang yung ano. Akala ko mahal. First time kung manood lang ng scene. Akala ko mga 50. 16 lang pala each. Ayan. 2:30 po yung oras. So, wait kami muna dito. Meron iba din nag-wait sila ng oras nila. Okay, nandito na kami sa loob. Number 8 kami. Number 8. Heart Eyes the Monkey. Superman. Thunderbolts. Oh, here. We are in number 8.
Everything that I have done the last 20 years was in preparation for this movie. So good. For this because I knew that we were doing something special. And it was hard, it was tough. A normal day at the office.
It's really great to have Pete in this role because he has an incredible action background.
5 minutes, umpisa na siya.
New day.
Ayan mga ka-Juyang. Enjoy lang.
Scripture says, we are all children of the Lord, but he did not build us for sanctity. There are people around you right now with darkness in their hearts. Your friends, your neighbors, only God sees their true faces.
You're safe, I promise.
This world is infected by evil, and its people are capable of such madness. They may seem innocent, but do not be deceived by the masks they wear.
Here. It takes on average 200 to 300 trained professionals, 500.
What? Oh, come on.
Tapos na kami, suspense. suspense. Oh my gosh. Saan ba kuha itong? Diretso saan ako sa oh my God. Oh.
Ano?
Look at the dire. Ano, nag-enjoy ka? Nag-enjoy ka tulog. Nagtulog ka maniimo yan. Oh my God. Ay, nag-enjoy kami. Thank you, Benji and Lani, sa inyong gift. Ayan. Nag-enjoy kami sa suspense ng movie. Saan yung ano yun, no? Kay bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Hindi kita, ano? Sige pa, go. Oh, yan siya, oh. Yan.